video, and this is going to be a part of my 7 days of Valentine series. And I'm coming to you guys with my brows already done. All that I used was my little elf brow kit, and this is in the shade dark. And I filled them in, and then I carved them out with my Tarte Tape Shape. Literally all of these looks are going straight off my dome. I don't have a set plan of what I'm doing. I'm just giving y'all 7 days of date night, popping ass, going out, slaying looks. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to see this look and what I come up with, then just keep watching. I'm going to take this shade right here. Into my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Go in with this shade right here. It's kind of dark. And I'm going to be focusing that mainly on where that white liner is. Even more with this shade right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of black in there because I'm extra. So I'm gonna take the black right here. So I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Tape Shape, and I'm going to be cutting that heart shape out. Alright, this is what we have so far. I'm going to immediately set it with my Airspun translucent powder. Y'all seen me use this a million times. I'm trying to look down because I don't want it to mess up. My heart looks a little lopsided, don't it? Or is it just my eye shape? Like, I can't tell. I'm going to repeat the same process with the same shades. I'm not going to do the heart though. I'm just going to cut my crease. My Wet n Wild primer. I'm also going to take my Fenty Beauty Foundation, and this is in 370. Going in with the Reg Tape Shade. NYX glitter, and this is in the shade Gold. Also, to apply it, I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer. Same thing for my cut crease on this side. I'm going to spray my face with this Measurable Difference Energy Revitalizing Mist because I found that it works very, very well to set my makeup. I'm going to take this highlighter from e.l.f. and this is in the shade Blush Gem. Onto lips, I kind of want to keep it very muted. I'm going to take Tool by Color. Alright guys, so this is the look that I came up with. Honestly, I have mixed emotions about it. Yes, this one eye heart was intended, okay? Maybe it's just I have mixed emotions about it when my eyes open, because when my eyes closed, what do you guys think? But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do a little slow-mo action for you guys because I'm extra. But honestly, this, I don't know why, but this reminds me like of a Valentine's Harley Quinn look. I think it's just the one heart over the eye. I don't know. I love Harley Quinn though. So yeah, this was look 2 of my 7 Days of Hearts series, and I'm so excited. I have so many more for you guys. Also, look, it's 7 days, so within these 7 days, y'all can snap me, DM me on Instagram, email me, literally comment under this video. You could do anything of suggestions that y'all want to see, that y'all want me to do. I'm trying to give y'all 7 Days of Hearts, so it's gonna be a heart look every day, sis. I'm trying to put these out like that. So make sure y'all are on it. Y'all are showing me so much love. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And those of you who are new to my channel, stay tuned because I have a lot in store for you guys. Also, check out my last videos. But, let me see. Is there anything else that I'm forgetting to tell you guys before we go? Alright, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.